Guys, and let others join, then we'll start. So, good evening, guys. Welcome back to our lecture. As you know, in the last lectures, we covered the complete theory of ellipse. We completed the theory of ellipse. So, it's better that we do some questions in this lecture because, like already we told you, that mainly questions will be planned on the weekends. But since our theory part got over, let us this lecture dedicate to questions. And also tomorrow's lecture will also be dedicated to question because tomorrow is Saturday. So please don't forget to come tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing the PYQs of ellipse 2023. So let's get started. So here are some questions. I hope you have revised everything done till now in ellipse. Let me give you a quick recap. First we did was equation of ellipse in standard forms, which we had two. Second thing we did was all the standard result, that is the latus rectum, the focus, endpoints of latus rectum, the vertices, and all that. After that, we moved on to the tangent and normal. After that, we saw the auxiliary circle. Then we saw some standard results such as the chord of contact, chord with given middle point, equation of pair of tangents, and the last part, which was very important, where we saw the parametric coordinates and parametric equations. So some of the questions today, or I mean all of the questions today will be based on that. So today is a good lecture. So guys, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve and then I'll start solving. Right? Let's see. So first question, let us read it together. The equation of ellipse with major axis parallel to y-axis. Center is 1, comma 4 and length of the axes are 26 and 10. A very simple questions to start with. Yeah, the center is given as 1, comma 4. So that means in numerator, what we'll have? We'll have x minus 1, the whole square upon something plus. y minus 4 the whole square upon something equals to 1. So upon something, that means we need to get a and b. Now you can see here the length of the axis is given. What is the length of major axis? Just a second. Yeah, the length of major axis. What is the length of major? The length of major axis is 2 because the major axis is parallel to y-axis, which will equals to is given as 26. That means B is 13. Now, what is the length of minor axis? Length of minor axis, it is 2a, which is given as 10. So that means a is equals to 5. So what do we have in the equation place? Here we can write the equation as x minus 1 the whole square upon a square, which is 25. 5 minus 4 the whole square upon b square, which is 169. So this is our equation. It matches with, I think, option 1 only. So option 1 is our correct answer. Is it clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Okay, only 2 of them are there. No issues. Mahesh, thank you, and Anjana. Okay, superb, guys. Chalo. Let's look at the next question. Yeah, this is a nice question also again. What is the question saying? The equation of the ellipse with one of the focus and center and eccentricity. Okay. So what do we do now, guys? Anyone? Come on, I'll give you 2 minutes to try. Let's see. Remember here, we cannot take the focus at A, comma 0, right? How we can take A, comma 0, guys? As you can see, here it is not 0. That means we have to use a shift of origin, right? So what we can do, according to me, I think the distance between center and focus. What is the distance between center and focus is AE. I hope you remember. This is an ellipse. This is the center, and here is the focus. So focus is AE comma 0 and center is 0 comma 0. So the distance is AE. So distance between center and focus. So what have we been given as center? It is 3 comma 4. And what is the focus? It is 2 comma 4. Correct? So what is the distance between center and focus? We can directly write it as 1. Or you can use the distance formula as well. So it will be 1 plus 0 equals to AE. So I think AE will be equals to 1 and E is given as half. So if E is half, then I'll get A equals to 2. Right? Now how to get B, guys? We know the formula. B square equals to A square into E square, sorry, to 1 minus E square. Am I correct? B square equals to E square into 1 minus E square. Correct? So what do we do now? Just, where was I? Yeah. B square will be equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4. So if I take the LCM, I think I'll get 3. So B square equals to 3. So that means A square equals to 4. So what will be the equation of ellipse, guys? Equation of ellipse will be x. Center is 3 comma 4. So x minus 3 the whole square upon A square plus y minus 4 the whole square upon b square equals to 1. Again, our option is first one. Got it? So I have solved both the questions, but next question I want your answer. Chalo. This is a very simple question, guys. Come on, try. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please, I want you all to try. So please try. Come on, guys. Let's see. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm counting 2 minutes. I have a timer here. Can we use a timer? Come on. So I start the question or I read the question. Axes are coordinate axes. Okay, I mean here it is full stop, right, guys? A and L are the ends of major axis and the lattice rectangle. Hmm. So if I try to draw a diagram, this will be the ellipse. A and L are end of major axis. A, here is the L and lattice rectum. And L. Okay. This triangle is OAL. So we have to find, or we are given the height of area of triangle. So area of triangle is half into base. Base is OA. What is the distance of OA? AK coordinates are A comma 0. So it is A into height. Height is this height, right? So what are the coordinates of lattice rectum? AE comma B square by what? Yeah, AE comma B square upon A. So that means height is B square upon 8. And this area is given as 8. So A and A will get cancelled. I think I'll get B square equals to 16. Right? Now, we'll again use the formula B square equals to A square into 1 minus E square. 16 equals to A square into 1 minus, what is E? 1 by root 2. So I think this is half. So 16 equals to A square into half. That means A is equal to 32. So what is the equation of ellipse, guys? X square upon A square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. So it is option second. Is it clear, guys? All both of you all, give me a thumbs up. Anjana and Mahesh. Is it clear? Okay, thank you, Mahesh. Mahesh, I think if it is clear, I would expect the next question to be solved by you. Come on, it's a very simple question. Lattice rectum means the length of lattice rectum is given as half. What is the length of lattice rectum, guys? It is 2b square by a is given half. Now get the value of a and b and substitute it here. Get the value of a and b and substitute it here. How to get the values of a and b, guys? You have to compare the equation of ellipse with standard form. Come on, very simple question, guys. That's why I'm giving you to do. Let's see who does it. Mike, I'm expecting you will give the answer. Come on. Compare the equation of ellipse in the standard form, get a and b, substitute in the equation and get the value of alpha. Chalo. Come on, guys. Yes, anyone? Three. Okay, Mahesh got the answer. Super. So let us see what I am trying to say. Here, this is the equation of ellipse. I can rewrite the equation of ellipse as x square upon cot square alpha plus. Mahesh, you said three option means pi by 3, right? Okay, let's see. Plus y square upon cos square alpha is equals to 1. So from here, you can see a square is cot square alpha. If I compare x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. And b square is cos square alpha. So if I substitute here, I'll get 2 cos square alpha upon a is cot alpha is equals to half. So I can write cot alpha as cos alpha upon sin alpha. So 2 cos square upon cos, it will become reciprocal. So this cos and this cos will get cancelled and I'll get 2 sin. That means sin 2 alpha will be equals to half. So 2 alpha will be equals to half matlab pi by 6. Sin 30 gives pi by 6. So alpha will be equals to pi by 12. Mahesh, how did you got? See, it is option A. Correct? What mistake did you made? Any mistake you made? Got it? Got a mistake? Okay, okay. Super. Chalo. Next, I also want you all to try. Next is again also very simple question. Simpler than this one. Chalo. Distance between directrix is 8 times distance between foci. Distance between directrix. What is distance between directrix? This is a standard result. It is 2a by e. And what is the distance between foci? Distance between foci is 2a. You just substitute the values and get the value of e. Come on, guys. Let's. Mahesh, please try again. Last time you got the wrong answer. I hope you got a mistake. Chalo, let's see. Where is Anjana? What about Anjana? Anjana, are you there? Okay. So you can also try beta. Come on. I also like I've given you what to do. You have to just calculate standard results. Chalo. Hello, Girisha. You also joined. Here is a question. You can try it. Welcome. Good evening. Chalo. Should I start? No one is giving the answer, guys. Come on. Such a way that lecture will get boring. Two. Samaya is saying three, Anjana is saying two. Okay. So let's see. According to given condition, it is said that 2a by e is 8 times 2a. So we can cancel out 2a and 2a. So simple it was, guys. So I think we'll get e square is equals to 1 by 8. So e is 1 upon 2 root 2. Beta, Mahesh, square root of 8 is not 4. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2. I think you made this mistake, right? Anjana was right. Super Anjana. Chalo. Let's see the next question. Here it is. The equation of tangents to the ellipse. Excuse me. At the end of the latus rectum. The plural of latus rectum is latus recta. That's why it is the plural form, but it's fine. Latus recta is a plural. Actually, it is latera recta, but here they have used latus recta. Fine. So let's write the equation in standard form by dividing with 144, because on the right hand side we need one. So I think I'll get x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equals to 1. Right? The equivalent tangent to the ellipse at the ends of latus rectum. Okay. Now, what are the ends of latus rectum? A comma b square upon a. I'm just writing one of the ends. I hope you know that the other ends we can easily, I mean very easily, get by using the quadrant. If it was in second quadrant, it will be minus AE b square by a. Correct? So here a square is 16, b square is 9. So the coordinates will be 4 into E, 4 into E, comma, B square, 9 by 4. Now we need E. How to get E, guys? B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square. So 9 upon 16 is equals to 1 minus E square. I think E square will be equals to 1 minus 9 upon 16. Okay. 16 minus 9, 7 upon 16. So what will be E, guys? E will be, that means E is root 7 by 4. So 4E will be root 7, comma 9 by 4. So if this is one of end of latus rectum, that means it is in the first quadrant. The other will be in the fourth quadrant. That means root 7, comma minus 9 by 4. Right? So at these points, we have to find the equation of tangents. How to find equation of tangents at these points? We replace. I hope you know. This is the equation of ellipse. We replace x square by x into x1. Right? The t equals to 0 will be the equation of ellipse. We replace y square by y into 9 by 4. You can use plus or minus. Is equals to 140. So we can cancel out 4 4s are 16. So we'll get 9 se divisible hai kya? We can cancel out 9 also. 9, 9, 9, 16s are. So our answer will be root 7x plus or minus 4y is equals to 60. So this is the equation of tangents at the end points of latus rectum. Now this equation, that means it is option 3. Correct, guys? Is it clear? Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Anjana. What about others? Girisha also. Okay, super. Chalo. Let's see the next question. Yeah, area of the rectangle. Come on, guys. This is also a very simple question. Now, Girisha, you have came, others too have already answered. Now I want you to answer this question. Anjana and Mahesh has already answered some of the questions. Now it's your turn to answer. Let's see. I mean, obviously Anjana and Mahesh can also answer, but I'm expecting answer from Girish. Come on, let's try. The question is very simple. Let me draw the diagram for you. Here is an ellipse. No need to draw the coordinate axis. Here are the two lattice recta. So the rectangle formed will be like this. It's looking like a square, but it has to be rectangle. So area of rectangle is half into base and half into length into breadth. So you have to get these two lengths. Now these two lengths are very simple. This is the length of lattice rectum, and this is the length between lattice rectum. Both we know. These are the standard results. Length of the lattice rectum also we know. The length between lattice rectum also we know. Come on, guys. Grisha, I've given you enough hints. Just use the formula of area of rectangle. Chalo. If others got the answer, you can also say, but I specially request Grisha to give me the answer. Come on. I'm trying to make the session as interactive as possible, but I need your support. Come on, guys. Chalo. Let's see. 2. Okay, Mahesh. Thank you. Superb. He's saying option 2 is correct. What about Girisha? I'm waiting for you. After that, I'll start solving. Come on, guys. I hope Girisha has a pen and paper, pen and book to solve. Chalo, let's see. Hello, Girisha, are you there? Explain once. What to explain, beta? Acha, you were not there in the last lecture, yeah? Ellipse ke? Yesterday's lecture, were you there? Oh, see, the area, okay, never mind, I'll solve it. You'll solve the next question, okay? I'll explain it once again. This is the ellipse, right? These are the axes. So it is said that two sides of the rectangle are the lattice rectum. So as we know, these two sides are the lattice rectum. What are the points? Lattice rectum passes through focus. That means this is A comma 0 and this is minus A comma 0. Right? So what will be the length between LR? Length between LR is nothing but the length between focus, and the length between focus is 2A. And what is the length of LR? It is 2B square by A. So simple. So area of rectangle will be equals to length into breadth. That means 2AE into 2B square by A. Here we can cancel out A. So basically area is 4B square into E. Now see this ellipse. If I divide the ellipse by 144, right? I have to divide the ellipse by 144. So I'll get 4x square upon 144 plus 9y square upon 144 is equals to 1. We can cancel out 9 with 16 and 4 threes are 12. 4 eights are 24. Right? I hope I am right. No, 4, 8, 4, 6 are 24. It should be 36. Yeah. So that means a square equals to 36 and b square equals to 16. What will be e square, guys? We have to use b square equals to a square into 1 minus e square, right? So that means b square is 16 by 36 will be equal to 1 minus e square. So e square will be equal to 1 minus 16 by 36, which is 20 by 36. So that means the E is equals to root 20 upon 6. Let us substitute the values here. 4 into 16 into root 20 upon 6. So we can cancel out this with 2 and 3. So I think we get 32 root 20 can be written as 2 root 5 upon 3. So what is 32 into 2? It is 64 root 5 by 3, which is my option second, as correctly said by Mahesh. Thank you, Mahesh. Okay, Girisha, superb. You also understood. Mahesh is right. Very good, Mahesh. Superb. Keep it up. Chalo. Let's see the next one. Yeah. The locus of midpoints of chords. See, we know that the equation of chord with given middle point. I hope you know it. Equation of chord with given middle point. So let's say the midpoint is h comma k because it's the locus also. So the equation of the chord with given middle point was t equals to s1. I hope you remember. What is t? Replace x square by x1. Here in place of x1 we have h, in place of y1 we have k upon a square plus y1 upon b square is equals to what is s1? S1 means substitute the point in the equation. So that means x square की जगह पे I can put h and y square की जगह पे I can put k plus k square upon b square. Right? Now this is the equation of the locus. It is given that this is concurrent with the major axis and directrix. Concurrent means all these three. That means this equation, the major axis and the directrix pass through a common point. Now, what is the point of intersection of major axis and directrix? Is the ellipse. This is the major axis and this is the directrix. So this point, do you know this point? Yes, guys, it is a by e comma 0. It is also known as foot of perpendicular from origin. So a by e comma 0. So this line or this locus passes through the point a by e comma 0. That means the point must satisfy. So let us substitute this point in the equation. What I'll get, guys? I'll get a h by e into a square. Y तो 0 हो गया plus a square upon a square e square plus 0. Sorry, here it will be equal to, right? So we can cancel out one of the a's from here. We can cancel out a square from I think here, यहाँ पे 0 कैसे आ जाए? हाँ. Here it will be k square by b square. So, guys, now what do we do? Do you remember? We made here it will be h square by a square only. X की जगह पे we have to put a by e and y की जगह पे we have to put 0. So if x की जगह पे you have to put ay, that means इसकी जगह पे ay, y की जगह पे 0. The right hand side will remain the same. Yes. Now what do we do, guys? We replace h with x. Locus का end definition. K with y. So I'm rearranging. So I'll get x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to, what do we have here? X upon AE. Right? So our answer is option A. X square upon A square plus Y square upon B square equals to X upon A. Did you guys understood? Give me a thumbs up. Oh, Girisha already gave us. Super Girisha. It is option 1. Chalo. I think Girisha understood. What about the others? Two of you all? Super Mahesh. Chalo. Let's see what we have next. Here it is. P is a variable point on the ellipse with the major axis. Now here, the most important thing, P is a variable point. So I think we have to assume P. Then only I can get area of triangle APA dash. See, let me try to draw the diagram. This is the ellipse. This is the major axis A dash A. And P is any point. Then if I join these points, I'll get a triangle. The maximum area of this triangle, it is asked. We have the coordinates of A, it is A comma 0. We have the coordinates of A dash, minus A comma 0. Now P. The important thing here is, guys, that let us assume the coordinates of P in parametric form. That is A cos theta, B sine theta. A cos theta and B sine theta. What will be the equation of the ellipse? Equation of the, sorry, area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base. What is the base? Base is A dash. That is 2A. What is the height? See, we have assumed the point P as A cos theta, comma B sine theta. That means this distance is B sine theta. So height कितना हो गया? 2A into B sine theta. So A and A will get cancelled. We'll get area of triangle as, sorry, just a second, what happened here? Yeah. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, yes. You cancel out A. Sorry. Where is uh, yeah, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we'll get A, B, sine theta. Now, we want the area to be maximum. The area will be maximum when sine theta is maximum. Now, when sine theta is maximum, sine theta's maximum value is 1. So the maximum area, that is A max, will be equals to AB. This is my answer, which is option first. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, this is also our next good question on the sine theta is 1. Yes, Krisha. This is also next good question on the parametric equation. I hope you remember the parametric equations. The parametric equations. Come on, guys. Chord joining the point subtend right angle at the positive vertex of the ellipse. So the eccentric angle is alpha for point one of the points and beta for other points. So I think we can assume the point P as A cos alpha, comma, B sin alpha. Similarly, we can assume the point Q as eccentric angle beta, A cos beta, B sin beta. Subtends right angle at positive vertex of the ellipse. What is the positive vertex of the ellipse? A comma 0. And it is saying that this PQ segment, I'm not drawing the ellipse. I'm just trying to show you. Here are the points P and Q. It subtends a right angle at point A. That means this triangle will be a right angle triangle. That means AP is perpendicular to AQ. If AP is perpendicular to AQ, then slope of AP into slope of AQ equals to -1. What is slope of AP? A cos y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Yeah. So y2 minus y1 to be sine alpha minus 0 upon x2 minus x1. A cos alpha minus A into slope of AQ. B sine beta upon A cos beta minus A equals to -1. Now, please see from numerator we'll get B square sin alpha sin beta. Denominator में I can take A common from both of them. So I'll get A square into cos alpha minus 1 into cos beta minus 1 is equals to -1. Right? We want to get tan alpha and tan beta. Tan alpha by 2 and tan beta by 2. How to get it, guys? How do we get it? It is very simple. We should know trigonometry. Simple trigonometry we need to know. Come on, guys. See, first I'm rearranging. I'm writing sine alpha, sine beta upon these both the terms. I am rearranging 1 minus cos alpha by taking minus common, 1 minus cos beta is equals to minus a square upon b square. Now it's time to use trigonometry. Here, see, sine alpha. I want half angle, guys. Alpha by 2 and beta by 2. But I have alpha and beta. So I need to use the half angle formula. Right? So let's use the half angle formula. What is the half angle formula for sine? Sine alpha will be 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into sine beta will be 2 sine beta by 2 into cos beta by 2 upon denominator में we have 1 minus cos alpha. 1 minus cos alpha is 2 sine square alpha by 2 and 1 minus cos beta is 2 sine square beta by 2 is equals to minus a square upon b square. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine alpha by 2, one of the sine alpha by 2 and one of the sine beta by 2 will get cancelled. So what we are left with is, guys, see, cos alpha by 2 upon sin alpha by 2, cos beta by 2 upon sin beta by 2. What is this? This is basically cot alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2, which is equals to minus a square upon b square. We want tan. So for tan, we just have to take the reciprocal. So tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2 will be minus b square upon a square, which is option 4. Yes, Kirisha. Option 4. Half angle formula of sine to theta. Sine theta is 1. Sine theta is 1. Sine theta is not 1. Acha, you made silly mistake. Okay, fine. Superb, Girisha. Very nice seeing you give all the answers. Very good. Let's see the next question. Now, this is the question of normal. This is the question of normal. So, for that, I hope you remember what is the equation of normal. The normal at p theta. That means they want the equation of normal in parametric form. So equation of normal in parametric form was ax upon cos theta minus by upon sin theta is equals to a square minus b square. This was the equation of normal. Ax upon cos theta minus by upon sin theta equals to a square minus b square. Now, it is said that this normal, okay, let's find the value of a and b first. So we have to divide by 70. So we'll get the equation x square upon 14 plus y square upon 5 is equals to 70. That means a is equals to 1. Sorry, guys. So we'll get a square equals to 14 and b square equals to 5. So let's put the values here. So root 14x upon cos theta minus root 5y upon sin theta is equals to 14 minus 5, which is 9. Now it is given that this normal again cuts the curve at point q2 theta. So what are the coordinates of this? Coordinates of this will be A cos 2 theta, B sin 2 theta because the angle is 2 theta. Now please remember the normal again cuts this curve at this point. That means the normal passes through this point. That means this point must satisfy. So let us substitute this point here. So it will be root 14 into A. Root 14 into root 14 cos 2 theta upon cos theta minus root 5 into root 5 sin 2 theta upon sin theta is equals to 9. So what I'll get? I'll get 14 cos 2 theta upon cos theta. So we have to open the brackets. So 14, 2 cos square theta minus 1 upon cos theta minus 5. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta equals to 9. This sin theta will get cancelled. So let us take LCM here. So 14 into 2 cos square minus 1 minus 10 cos square is equals to 9 cos. So 14 2s are 28 cos square minus 14 minus 10 cos square equals to 9 cos. So 28 cos square minus 10 cos square. 18 cos square minus 9 cos minus 14 equals to 0. So we got a quadratic equation, guys. What are the factors? What are the factors? Come on, guys. What are the factors? Hello. What are the factors, guys? Oh, 18 and 40. So 18, 40. So I can write 9 and 28. No, right? Okay. 36 and 7. Hello? Guys, can you see the factors? Did we made a mistake somewhere? Hmm. Can you find the factors, guys? 18 and 14. Hmm. 12 and 21. Super. So it will be 18 cos square minus 12 cos plus 21 cos minus 14 equals to 0. Minus. So I think plus will be here and minus will be. Thank you, Anjana. So I think we'll get 6 cos common, 3 cos plus 2 minus 7, 3 cos plus 2 equals to 0. So I think from here I'll get cos theta is equals to minus 2 by 3, या फिर cos theta equals to 7 by 6. Now cos theta cannot be equal to 7 by 6 because it is greater than 1. So I think this is option A. Yes. So thank you guys. Sorry for taking 2-3 minutes extra because we couldn't find the factors. It's okay. So we'll meet again after the new year. Happy New Year, guys. Girisha, Happy New Year in advance. Okay, see you after New Year. Okay, we'll be continuing with hyperbola. Bye, guys, everyone. Take care. Happy New Year.